Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Beautyforever for sending this beautiful wig. Let's get in. A wig is always in a box. You have the wig. You also have some goodies, edge band, wig cap, more wig cap, a nail, and another edge band. Let's go in. We have tapes, that means it's a wig to tape. We have a adjustable band for the back of the wig. Okay, this is the wig. It have the tape at the side. Even though it's a 13x4 lace, this will make it glueless. So you guys can use these, or you can glue it down if you want, but we have extra tapes. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That means you can wear this wig so many times. This is how it looks. It's very, oh, this is my color. This is not the first time I'm wearing this wig from them. Absolutely love it. This is in 33B Jerry Curly wig, and I'm so excited to install this. Define the curls a little bit more. The lace is lacing, yes. Love the color. The color is given, and it's almost Valentine's Day, so this is the perfect wig to wear. So we're definitely going to do this. We have a band around the back, and I love when the wigs, you can close them. I use these when my wigs are getting too big. Okay, absolutely love it. So we're gonna go and install this. Let us go. All right guys, we're gonna install the wig. I went ahead and wet it last night so it could dry. I really wanted the curls to be out, so I'm gonna run my fingers through it so we can have the curls. Look at that. See how beautiful this color is. I absolutely love this color. Every time I wear a color wig like this, people always tell me like they like it on me, and I feel like it's representing, you know. Yeah, see. All right, let's see how it fits on the head before we start the install. It also comes with an adjustable band. Because we're making it glueless, we're definitely going to add the adjustable bands. All the goodies are in this bag that they sent. So we're going to add the adjustable band to it. It's right here. And I love that it's not black, because we have out here that is not even black. See the color? Yes. All right, let's do this. You don't have to worry, oh, you're gonna put this on. It's really easy. Okay. I'm gonna draw it a little bit tighter, being that we're gonna make the wig glueless. We're not gluing it down, so I want it to snug on the head. Before the cap, I'm gonna see how it fits on my head. Oh. This is a full lace. Like, this is not even a closure. Look at that. I don't even think I need a cap. I tell you about this color. I love how it looks on me. Okay, so I love that the curls are more defined. We're gonna give it that afro look. I'm gonna comb it out some more. Yes, this is it. See? Oh, I like that. Alright guys, this is how it looks. Before I go ahead and let's try it with a headband. Not a headband, but the wig band. I'm also eating some watermelon. Sorry. Told you like we have the extra. Let's see how it looks with the wig. With the easy slide on. You definitely have to color this. You know what I'm gonna do? I like to use this to bring back my hair. Oh, perfect. All right. Let's do this. Ooh. All right, let's take this side on. It's real simple. You just position the wig wherever and boom. Just like that. Kind of pull the wig down to my forehead so we can get it to stick a little bit more. But look at this glueless install. Guys, you know what I am going to do? We are gonna, oh, this is so natural. I like it. I am going to go in with the hot comb and I'm going to fix it, and then we're going to add some mousse so that way it's laid and look natural. So we're going to tie it down for a few minutes, but let's get into the hot comb. But look at that. The color is amazing. The length is not too much. I love it. So pretty. And the curls. Ah, it's clueless. No makeup and looking fine. Girl. Guys, I'm gonna brush out just a little small portion. You guys can hardly see it. I'm just gonna get those out at the front to just create some, you know, just not to, how do I put, it's not baby hair, but you guys will see. Alright guys, oh, look at that, oh beautiful. Listen, girl. So if I really wanted, I could do that, but I already made the middle part. For now, we're gonna wear it with the middle part. And yes, it's still detachable. Let's do it. Before I even go in anymore, I want to show you the guys the back of the wig, how secure it is. We know it's a wig, right? But your wig is not going anywhere when you look and you see that. Nowhere. I love it. I love it. I did add, to make the part precise, I went ahead and add a little bit of concealer right there. Look at the side. We still got those at the sides. So beautiful. What do you guys think about these type of baby hair? Like, it kind of give the lace the illusion like there is nothing there. You understand? So this is beautiful. I love the length. I love everything about this wig. You don't have to do what I'm doing. Like, this is not even necessary. I am going to do my makeup and come back and let's talk about this here and where you can find it. This is everything, y'all. I love it. Oh, the makeup is done, so you know what that means. The makeup is done. Let's get into this here. This reddish brown, oh, it's perfect. It is perfecto. You see that? Just using my makeup brush to add it. This is the wig. It's super light. It's not heavy. It doesn't look light, you know, but it's not heavy, and I like that. For a curly wig not to be heavy, it is perfect. The hair is from Beautyforever here. You guys already know that. I love the length as well. The color matches my complexion, of course, and it's a 13x4 pre-everything frontal wig with the tapes that I added on the side, and it's detachable. It's glueless. Absolutely beautiful. So I can take this wig off tomorrow, later, any day. And I like how I do with the hair, with the baby hair, so it doesn't, well, it's not baby hair, but you cannot know if it's a wig when you do that, so it gives that illusion. But I love it. This is how it looks, and it's very flowy. You can turn your head. Oh! All right, so this is how it looks, guys, with the back. Absolutely love it. It's giving, it's really lightweight. That's what I love. So no more glue, no more hairline be missing, none of that. They upgraded and updated how we can do wig install, and I absolutely love that. So thanks to Beautyforever here for sending this beautiful wig. Look at that. Alright guys, everything will be in the description down below. Make sure you check it, the exact wig, so it's not going to be complicated, and install super easy. So make sure you check the description box. Let's get into the viewing, the beautiful part. Okay, the color is fire. Yes. Alright guys, I'm gonna get into showing you guys how versatile this wig can be. We already wore the wig in a center part. We already did the center part and it's still here. I'm gonna show you guys how I can do it in an updo, and my favorite, bringing it over. I think this is it right here. So let's get into that first. Alright guys, this is it. Just flipped over to the side. I made the hairlines as natural as possible. You guys don't like the baby hair, and this wig don't even require that much baby hair. So this is it. Same wig, same style. Still can do it in a center part if we wish. Also feel like this side part kind of suits my face a little bit more. I like when it's like poofy. Alright guys, that was super easy. I am going to show you guys how my favorite is like an updo middle part. You guys already know that. So we're gonna go for a updo and see how we do. Alright guys, this is the updo, my signature updo. I love this. I look younger when I do this. I just love it. I feel like a updo suits my face. I look younger that way, like I said. I want to show you guys around the back of the wig because it's no joke. Flawless, baby. Love it. Absolutely love it. This is another way. Don't think when you have your wigs you just have to always have it on your shoulders. Sometimes you have to change up the look. You're going to work. Today you wear it down. Tomorrow you do it like this. The next day you bring it to the side. The other day you put two right here. This wig is super versatile. And I thank you, Beautyforever here. Absolutely love it. Yes, it's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? But we're just gonna keep it cute right here. Yes, so pretty. Love it. Can't go wrong with a curly hair. I love this. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Everything will be down in the description bar. Make sure you check it. Make sure you create styles. When you buy this wig, don't just wear it one way. Make sure you create styles. And thank you again to Beautyforever here for sending this beautiful wig. Super easy to install. I showed you guys how I did my baby ear. Well, y'all don't like the baby ear no more, so we're gonna keep it real simple. And I feel like this is more manageable because I don't have to worry about washing my face because I wear makeup. So the baby ear kind of, you know, sometimes it's just hard. So I absolutely love this, more natural, and it's more to convince your boyfriend. So make sure you guys check the description down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay? Don't play with me. The wig is super lightweight and so easy. You could be taking a shower and put your hair in a ponytail like this and still wear it because it's cute. So make sure you go and get this wig, and I'll see you guys later. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Love it.